Welcome back everyone. So how you can use task manager like a pro. So how you can do it, okay? First of all, we talk about how you can open it. If you press Control Alt and Shift at a time, you can open the task manager. Also, if you can search here task manager, you can open it, okay? Like this. Also, if you right click on taskbar, you can open the task manager here, okay? This is three option, and the fourth option is if you press Ctrl or Delete, you can open the task manager. Okay, so let's open the task manager. You can see the task manager have multiple things to note. Okay, the process, the performance, the app history, the startup apps, users and details and services. Let's talk about processes. Okay, every process running here. Okay, you can see the every process or every software tool you can see from here. Okay, also we talk about performance. You can note down every single component performance like CPU, like memory, like disk, ethernet and other things. Okay, you can note down from here. Okay, app history, you can see the app history, when the app start and when the app stop, and runtime, also CPU runtime and network and much more. Okay, the startup, when the computer is turned on, which app start with computer and which app doesn't, and you can also enable or disable the application that you want to start up or not. Okay, and users, you can see the users which kind of what users are working here. Okay, and also you can see the details. Okay, you can see the details or lots of details, every tools, every running process details and services, lots of services you can see here, and you can start and stop the services. Okay, so that's it for today, and it's not that big lecture, but it is. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Bye.